Avocados, rich in fiber, promote healthy digestion by supporting beneficial gut bacteria. Fiber in avocados aids regular bowel movements, contributing to digestive health. Vitamin E and C in avocados help maintain youthful, glowing skin by combating free radicals and supporting collagen production. Blueberries contain polyphenols that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Polyphenols function as potent antioxidants, neutralizing oxidative stress to protect the skin against aging. By reducing inflammation, polyphenols in blueberries contribute to the prevention of skin aging. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and magnesium, essential minerals for health. Zinc and magnesium promote gut lining integrity and reduce intestinal permeability. Zinc aids in controlling oil production in the skin and healing skin blemishes and wounds.